know I hate this job. I have to go to all these godforsaken places. Hey guys, Documenting Dave here. Today's episode is going to be about the sock monster, where the legend began in the Amazon rainforest and the whole travels throughout. Let's get into this. Alright guys, here we are in the Amazon rainforest, looking to see if the legend of the sock monster is real. You see, this spot in the Amazon rainforest is really all the sock monster things began, where the whole myth began. But they didn't have socks. They would lose like pieces of cloth and string mysteriously before there were socks. So we gotta wonder, how old is this sock monster? And does it reproduce? Yes. This must be the entrance point of where the sock tribe lives. His origins are supposedly come from here. We're gonna have to watch out for more dangerous things than the snake monster around here. Alright, I hear some rustling. What was that? Who is that?
Get out! This is sacred land. Leave now, or we will touch you like a fish. Out!
Alright guys, let's pack it up. Let's get out of here. I'm not getting killed in this rainforest. This has piqued my interest though. Let's go back to the States, do some more research. Let's get out of here. It took us 2 months to track this guy down, but we finally found the only possible eyewitness of the sock monster. We sat down for a one-time candid interview. He agreed to do it for a pint of whiskey. Hey Bill, have a seat! Alright, just... Okay, alright. Hi Bill. So let's just get straight into this. So you've actually seen the sock monster?
I did.
Want to go a little more detail in that, Bill?
No. I seen it straight out of the gates of hell. This thing came right out. I was wrestling with her something. He came after me, taking him down. When I came to, he was gone.
Okay. It's quite an answer, Bill. But you must understand why people think it might be nonsense or BS because of your constant or sometimes inebriated state.
This was no hallucination. This was no figment of the imagination there. This was as real as you are sitting there. Do you understand? As real as this bottle is.
Oh, wow. Interesting. Quite a story.
Oh! Take that, Dickless Dave. Ow! Shut up, fruitcake!
It's monsters like you, Bill, that we should really be doing this documentary on. No good drunks.
Tell you, you gotta find Professor Hagensman.
It took us a while to figure out who Professor Hagensman was. Our research team did a deep dive in professors and doctors involved with the sock monster. Only one name kept resurfacing: Dr. Gingenberry. We begin our trek to find him. Hey guys, Documenting Dave here, and as you can see, I'm all patched up, ready to go. So, hold on, somebody could really get hurt with this. Alright guys, we finally tracked him.
Ah! Come on!
No!
We gotta run!
Sorry guys, just came out of a coma. So, let's see, we finally got in talk with that doctor. Gingenberry. Alright, so here's Professor Gingenberry's estate. Told me to meet him in the back. Alright. Spool. Alright. Hey, Professor Gingenberry. How are you doing? It's good to see you. Yeah.
Yes, it is I, Professor Gingenberry.
Professor Gingenberry, I see that you've done extensive research on the sock monster. Care to elaborate?
The sock puppet. Yes, is much real. Yes, I will be right back.
No reason not to trust a good doctor.
You must not know about the secrets of the sock puppet. So what have you learned of the sock puppet? Huh?
Come now, boy. It's the poison powder. It's the poison powder. You know the choo-choo-choo.